Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, we have an awesome watch face to check out. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. This watch face, I'm very excited about. This one here is nice. This one is by Original Watch Faces. The name of the watch face is called OW Edge Hybrid. Very nice looking watch face when it's on. Now in the always on mode, you're gonna get a nice analog watch face, a very nice analog watch face. And when you cut the watch on, you are going to get the best of both worlds. I love this and I love the separation. I'm loving the design and how he brought this watch face together. Now, up at the top, what I really like is your day and your date. Looks very nice. Also, you're going to get your steps, you're going to get your calories burned. Also, you go to the other side, you will get miles walked or ran, and you'll get your heart rate information. You also get a PM stamp right there. You get a moon phase down at the bottom, and I like the digital time all by itself down at the bottom. Looking really good. Now the analog hands look nice just as well, along with the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Listen, OW did his thing with this watch face. Again, like I said, this is affordable in the Gear Manager store. Now, if I tap here, it will allow me to get my step information, calories burned, things of that nature. So I'm liking what he did with that. Now the colors, very nice, very vibrant. You got to check this out for yourself. And it's a single tap. You don't have to double tap to get to your watch face. It has a few in all. We didn't cycle through most of them. What do you think, guys? What do you think about this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if I'm by myself or what I think about this watch face, which I think is an awesome look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.